Hello, sir. It's great
Hello.
to have you here. Can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Koki Takaki from the Ministry of the Environment, Japan. I'm working at the Office of Mercury and International Chemicals Management, particularly dealing with some international negotiation and cooperation, for also focusing on Asia-Pacific countries. One example is that I'm under the global framework of chemicals. I'm taking a role of the regional focal point of the GSC in the Asia-Pacific regions.
Okay, so it's so great of you. So looking forward to the ACF 2025. What's the most powerful takeaway from the discussion from your side?
Yes, through the whole sessions, I'm really interested in the discussion, and particularly yes, I feel much power from the Indian industry and delegates, and that's so now growing areas I recognize.
Okay, sir. So any session or any theme that you are resonated to?
Yes, as I said, that the industry part is quite interesting to me. That I recognize that the power of the Indian chemical industries is growing rapidly, and also taking a lead for the global supply chain as well. So also I recognize it's the importance of the also the regulatory needs in the Indian communities, and now the industry action about responsible care is also growing, and it should be a key. Is from my experience, is a good collaboration between the government and the industry. It should be inevitable for the efficient sound management of chemicals.
Okay, sir. How ACF 2025 influence your organization to think about the economical and responsible innovations?
Yes. Yeah. As I said, that this kind of forum is quite important to have a good network among stakeholders, not only government but also it includes the academia and also industry, not only the chemical industry but also the different sectors are coming in. That's very important to collaborate each others to bring better policy and better actions. And,
Yes. So, what's your perspective or a critical thinking or suggestion to us to what we have discussed or we discussed in a session to come into the real regulatory world?
Yeah, I found several keywords in each session, or some cross-cutting issues or cross-cutting topics exist. So you could move forward and particularly focusing on such a hot topics such as GHS or more the action towards in line with the GFC strategic objectives and visions, and also in Asian areas we could develop a good project, maybe based on these communities. And I think one example is the Oliver showed the GFC fund, and unfortunately now on the first round of the GFC fund applications, no Asian countries proposal were adopted. So maybe we need to improve our strategies and in discussion with many stakeholders to make a good capacity building project to be to submit to the GFC fund or other capacity building projects that could strengthen the Asian Pacific regulatory capacity.